A sleek, unassuming profile rolls into the frame, its quiet presence hiding the beast within. The 2025 Chevy Nova Sleeper is here, and it's redefining what it means to be a true sleeper car, blending classic design with modern engineering and staggering performance. At first glance, the new Nova Sleeper looks like a tastefully restored piece of American muscle history. Its retro-inspired body takes cues from the original Nova lineage, featuring a minimalist yet muscular stance. Clean lines, subtle badging, and a lack of aggressive aero elements make this car a wolf in sheep's clothing. But beneath this nostalgic exterior lies a powertrain that's anything but subtle. Under the hood, Chevy has equipped the 2025 Nova Sleeper with a twin-turbocharged 6.2H-liter LT7 V8, producing a mind-blowing 850 horsepower and 800 lp-ft of torque. This high-speed engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual for purists or an advanced 10-speed automatic with lightning-fast shifts. Power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels, ensuring an exhilarating tire-shredding experience that honors the Nova's drag racing heritage. Performance is where the Nova Sleeper earns its name. Thanks to an advanced launch control system and a lightweight aluminum chassis, it rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.9 seconds. A specially tuned adaptive suspension allows for a smooth ride on the street while delivering razor-sharp handling when pushed to the limits. Massive Brembo brakes ensure that this powerhouse can stop just as quickly as it accelerates. Stepping inside, the Nova Sleeper's cabin is a seamless blend of retro charm and modern technology. Classic bucket seats wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara provide a nod to the past, while a fully digital gauge cluster and a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system bring it into the future. The driver-focused cockpit offers real-time telemetry, performance data logging, and full smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Despite its old-school aesthetics, the 2025 Nova Sleeper is packed with cutting-edge features. A hidden performance mode, accessible via a discrete console switch, unlocks the full potential of the twin-turbo V8, adjusting boost levels and throttle response. The exhaust system includes an active valve setup, allowing drivers to switch between a near-silent mode for low-profile cruising and a full-throttle roar that lets the world know what lurks beneath the hood. Chevy has gone to great lengths to keep the Nova Sleeper's true identity under wraps. Even the wheels, a set of vintage-style steelies, conceal lightweight forged alloys beneath, further reinforcing the illusion of a mild-mannered cruiser. The Sleeper theme continues with subtle badging and an available muted paint palette, ensuring that only the most discerning enthusiasts will recognize the potential of this machine. With the 2025 Chevy Nova Sleeper, Chevrolet has delivered a masterclass in deception and performance. It's a car that pays tribute to its legendary roots, while embracing modern engineering in a way that few vehicles ever achieve. Whether it's dominating the drag strip or blending into traffic unnoticed, this Nova is the ultimate sleeper, fast, fierce, and full of surprises. What do you think of the 2025 Chevy Nova Sleeper? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth automotive coverage. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion for performance alive. I've put together a professional and engaging script for your YouTube video on the 2025 Chevy Nova Sleeper. Let me know if you need any modifications or additional details.